Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your iPhone 13, at the first you have to go for the settings, pick Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm currently connected with GSM Center, but I'm going to switch for this Zenfone 7 Pro network. So click once on the network that you want to connect and then input your password. In my case, it's very common, from 1 to the 8, and then click join on the right upper corner. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. Let me show you, for example, I'm going to open browser. As you can see, we are online. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.